Do you use the Shop Vac with a filter? Do me a favor, don't do that anymore. I'm about to show you why you don't need a filter. So this is the exhaust through which all the clean air comes out, that's filtered. And most of the times when you don't have a filter, what happens is a whole bunch of dust and crap comes out of that. So what do you do with that? Go ahead and get you a long 25-foot hose and then hook that up to the exhaust. And then put the other end somewhere else. And watch what happens when I try to vacuum. So now you know how to use a Shop Vac without a filter. So what do you do when you're inside the house? Just stick this exhaust end of the hose out the window. Like so, and you should be good to go. All the crap and bad stuff is going to go outside, and you're going to be all clean on the inside.